check out this pigeon. He was there for about 3 hours, just sitting there or standing, whatever birds do. And it gave me enough time to paint his portrait.
Hey buddy, what do you want?
So I went in with some watercolor paper that I had on hand. So I find that the 6B is always my go-to when it comes to pencil drawings because it's just easier to erase. So first I drew the outline, and then after I've sketched it out, then I went in with my paints. So I think I was watching Vikings the night before because I was getting a little bit paranoid and suspicious of why the bird was sitting there for so long. And in Vikings, they say that when a raven comes to visit you, it's like Odin coming to visit. And I thought, is it Odin? Is it a ghost of some kind checking up on me? I thought it was very unusual. But then I also thought that because before me and my husband were both working full time and maybe the pigeons were just crashing in our condo, whilst we were out. It was quite a coincidence that it was 8 o'clock in the morning and he's like, you're still here, are you? Yes, I am. I'm at home now. So, yeah. So these watercolor brushes were new. So it was a fun experience of just getting them out, testing them out. And I just really loved the whole feel of it. It just felt like as I was putting the paint onto the paper, it was just all blending together like magic. So I didn't want to add too much black because I felt like with the watercolor, you just have to kind of use that background white paper to create that gray color. So I was trying to pick out what other colors there are on the pigeon. So I noticed that the wings were a little bit pink, and also his wings were a little bit on the white side. So yeah. So I added some pink in to kind of give it a little bit more something rather than that just flat black and grey colour. That was probably the closest I could make it to a pinkish colour using that set. And then you can see that his neck, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but his neck was a little bit greenish blue. So that's why I ended up choosing blue colour. So I went with that kind of bluish grey. I was just trying to put that a little bit on his neck, and I thought, I can add that to the rest as well, to his wing. And again, with the blue against the pink, I thought it just made it a little bit more colourful. And then I went in with the details. So you've probably noticed from my colouring book video with my fall leaves that I like to add my detailing quite soon. So I found the thinnest brush was great for that, but I kept switching between brushes. And then I went in to add some more details on the wings, but I was a little bit scared to add too much detail to the wing, and I just felt like that blue colour was enough to sort of see that that's the feathers. And then I painted the balcony bar, which was that red colour. And I felt like his claws were a little bit flat, so I just added a little bit of black detail to the claws. And then he was wearing a yellow tag, so I got that in. So for the finishing touches, I added the blue sky, and as soon as I did that, I just felt like it made all the colours just pop. And I was really happy that I didn't add any more grey, that I didn't make it any darker, the pigeon, and just left it how it was, because having that kind of darker colour behind it, it just really brought out the pigeon. And then I added the sunlight, so a little bit of warm colours into the background and onto the wings somewhere, just kind of like a reflection of the sun. And then I started adding some red to the beak, but I wasn't too happy with that, so I dulled it down and just added a little bit more to the wings as well, just to kind of add some more colour, because why not? And then I finished it off by signing my name. Hey little mischievous bird, this is your portrait. Do you like it? I really liked how it turned out, and yeah, I'll have to give something like this a go again. Shoo! You can see me trying to shoo it away, and it just would not budge. I think I ended up pushing it off the balcony in the end. So there's my craft room camera setup. Yeah, he was watching what I was doing. What are you doing? Yeah, look at him panting, all out of breath. Poor pigeon. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe for more videos. So I mainly make planner videos, but in the future, I'm hoping to maybe make some more paintings, like whether it's watercolor or acrylic. Yeah.